Welcome to this lesson on SugarCRM, a comprehensive platform designed to help businesses thrive by aligning marketing, sales, and customer service. Today, we'll explore SugarCRM, how it works, and the core products and features that help businesses stay ahead of the competition. What is SugarCRM? SugarCRM provides software solutions that put sales leaders in control. Companies in over 120 countries rely on SugarCRM to cut through complexity, prioritize opportunities, and increase upsells using the resources they already have. We are headquartered in the San Francisco Bay Area. We help sales leaders overcome their biggest challenges and unlock their full potential. SugarSell, our full-featured B2B sales tool designed for sales professionals, helps you see every deal clearly, know when to reach out, and connect to the systems you already use, from email to ERP. It also simplifies pipeline management, forecasting, and guided selling support. Now, let's dive into the core end-user features available in SugarSell, designed to enhance productivity across sales, marketing, customer support, and more. In SugarSell, these features span 6 key areas: sales automation, marketing tools, customer support, record keeping, collaboration, and reporting. Sales automation helps sales teams efficiently manage the entire sales cycle. Lead and contact management allows your team to target and organize efforts throughout the sales cycle, ensuring no missed opportunities. Account management helps aggregate interactions with organizations and individuals, providing a comprehensive view of each customer. Opportunity management enables sales teams to pursue new business opportunities, share critical sales information, and track deals through each stage. Sales forecasting allows representatives and managers to forecast upcoming business and monitor progress towards sales targets. Quote and line item management helps your team prepare detailed sales quotes and manage line items, currencies, and tax codes, essential for creating accurate proposals. Now let's talk about marketing tools designed to streamline and optimize your marketing efforts. Target lead and contact management supports the creation of new relationships, helping your team nurture leads and grow your customer base. Email marketing campaigns deliver relevant, personalized messages to groups of recipients, ensuring your marketing efforts are timely and targeted. Campaign management and reporting enables you to track marketing campaigns across multiple channels and analyze their effectiveness. Target list management allows you to organize groups of recipients for more relevant campaign messaging. Web-to-lead forms capture lead information directly from your website, ensuring no potential customer slips through the cracks. Moving on to customer support, SugarCRM enables seamless customer service with the following features. Case management helps track and resolve customer issues efficiently, ensuring your support team meets expectations. Bug tracking allows you to quickly identify, prioritize, and resolve product issues, keeping your customers satisfied. Contact and account management enables you to track support history and ensure continuity of service for each customer. With Sugar Portal, customers can access self-service support capabilities to find solutions independently or submit service requests. The knowledge base enables your team to manage and share information externally, providing customers with valuable resources to resolve their issues. SugarCRM also simplifies record keeping with a variety of tools, including email, task, call, and meeting management. This suite of tools makes it easy to manage day-to-day tasks, ensuring your team stays on track. Note management. Attach important notes and file attachments to records across modules, improving information accessibility. Document management. Track living documents and their changes, ensuring everyone stays updated with the latest versions. Contract management. Capture and maintain sales and service contracts, making it easy to reference key agreements. Search capabilities. Quickly locate your data using robust search features, helping your team find the information they need without delay. Collaboration is at the heart of many businesses, and SugarCRM makes this easier with shared email and calendar, gaining visibility across individuals and teams, improving communication and scheduling. Connectors and tools leverage third-party information regarding your prospects and clients, enriching your CRM data with external insights. Finally, let's cover reporting, a critical feature for any data-driven business. Report creation and management. SugarCRM allows your team to create and manage detailed reports, providing insights into your organization's performance. Homepage dashlets and role-based dashboards display important tables and reports for easy access to key information. SugarCRM offers flexible deployment options. You can choose between a Sugar Cloud deployment hosted on our servers or an on-site deployment hosted on your own server. Next, let's talk about SugarCRM's licensing model. When you purchase SugarCRM, you buy a set number of user seats, which determine how many people can access the application. If your company uses multiple SugarCRM products, such as SugarCell Premier and SugarServe, each product has its own user limit. It's important to note that users assigned to multiple products count toward the limit for each product. If your organization has more active users than your license permits, those extra users won't be able to log in, and you'll see a warning message. Administrators won't be able to add more users beyond your license limit until you adjust your account. Finally, let's address one of the most critical aspects of CRM success: user adoption. Without easy access to documentation and proper training, many companies struggle to get the most out of their CRM, impacting return on investment. SugarCRM provides various resources to support successful user adoption, including detailed documentation, an online knowledge base, training and certification programs, and a welcoming community through Sugar Club. These resources offer everything needed to get started with SugarCRM and ensure your team is fully prepared to maximize the platform's potential. We hope this lesson has provided you with clear understanding of SugarCRM and how it can support your business's success. Thank you for joining us.